8004 Revolver. This tree is really close to the house. So it looks like they just did a lot of work. The tile looks really nice. We need some blinds on these windows. It would be nice if we had an undermount sink, but we may not be able to put it in there. The fridge is too small. It'd be nice if we had a space saver microwave. It's great that we already have the concrete and the patio cover, even though this is the north side of the house, and it doesn't need it. It's just nice that it's there. Nice high walls in the back. Fairly private backyard for Vegas. The wall color looks like it's a little gray. It's really close to the color that we typically choose. It's nice that the laundry room is separate, so you don't have to walk through it to get places. There is a pet door on it, and that might be why there was the little wall that they had built on the east side of the house. It's a designated pet area. So the carpet looks, sorry, thank you, new. Need 2 blinds in here. Ceiling fan looks good. Super and tiling was downstairs, but it matches the color scheme. Cabinets look pretty good. Need a blind. Oh, sorry. It's a pretty big closet. There's already closet door guides. Oh, light's not working, but it's a nice room. This is the same tile that was downstairs. Laminate counters. Tiny bit of wear on the cabinets. I'd probably replace that. I would get a blind on that window and a shower rod. And that's it.